time for your dish of the day here on The Daily Dish. And I was a little tiny bit sad the weekend was over this morning. Not anymore. Dave Prowse is here from Costa Vida, and he's whipping up a little something healthy in the kitchen for us.
You know, it is healthy. It's good.
Yeah.
Chicken breast is good. Rice is good. And fresh vegetables.
Well,
it's kind of a cucumber salsa thing I got going on
And
here.
Dave, these are things that people have at home. That's what I like, is you don't have to run to the store to get these things. You can whip it up tonight.
You can. So it's really easy. So all we're doing is, I like pan-fried chicken breast.
Me too.
And I got this new Cholula lime, chili lime. It's not hot, but the flavor is so intense.
Even
it's
though
so good.
It says hot sauce on there, not too hot.
It's not at all. There's like no heat. So all we're going to do is saute up some chicken breast. Now the reason I like it in a pan is I like the flavors to just sit there.
Okay.
I got a little bit of oil, not much, just a teeny bit, this Cholula lime and a little bit of salt. So while that's cooking, we're going to come over here and make a pecan rice. I love jasmine rice.
I do too.
It's a flavored rice. It's delicious. So I've got some rice. I'm going to throw little onions in there with some garlic and some butter.
Okay.
And we're going to throw some toasted pecans in there. Okay.
And that's what you like. The pecans are the best thing to use
I
for
love
this.
pecans. I'm going to put a little chicken stock in there. This is such an easy dish to do at home, but it's so flavorful. It's so good. You know, in Louisiana, I learned the importance of cooking with, like, pecans. And when you toast them, the flavor, the sugar, that nice flavor comes out. And it really adds a nice touch to the rice. So.
Okay, so wait, show everyone. This is usually just what I serve with the chicken. Boring, plain old white rice. That's what I do.
And this thing, you're just kicking it up. There's nothing bad in there.
Yeah, I want to kick it up.
There's nothing bad. So you just kick up the flavor a bit, and we'll get that going. All right, now the third part of this dish
Should I stir while you're talking?
Yeah, go ahead and
get it in
stir
there.
that up. The third part of this dish is this cucumber salad or salsa. I've got little grape tomatoes, red onion, jalapeno, cilantro, avocado, and salsa. I mean cucumbers.
Cucumber in there.
So we're going to take a little bit of oil.
Is that olive oil?
No, it's salad oil.
Salad oil,
Yep.
okay.
And you're going to take some lime juice.
All right.
Kick it up in there. A little bit of salt. And that is such a
And that's
flavorful.
it?
That's it.
We have our salsa.
You
Done.
have your salsa. So we're just going to mix that up a little bit. Let those flavors marinate a little bit.
And speaking of salsa, Costa Vida has one of my favorite salsas ever. The mango, yummy, like makes me feel like I'm on vacation salsa.
Mango rocks. The mango salsa
That's my
does. You know what
favorite,
else is
Dave.
happening at Costa?
What's happening right now?
I'm so pleased to announce this. You know, we have so many people in this country, in the world, that suffer from celiac disease. I've now modified the entire menu. We only have 4 items with gluten in them.
Are you
That's the
kidding?
2 flour tortillas and 2 of our desserts. All the rest, the sweet pork, the beef, all the sauces are all gluten-free. So if you have a problem with gluten in your diet, you can come to Costa and we can just
And feel good about
pair it up.
How awesome is that? Because I have some friends that cannot have gluten at all, and they don't know where to go to eat.
Well, they end up changing their whole lifestyle on where they're going to eat. All right, that's done.
Our rice is done.
That's done.
Mix it together.
That's how easy that is. And we're going to come over here.
Plate it up while I tell everyone how to get this recipe. Go to our website, everybody, cw30.com/Daily Dish, or you can always call our recipe hotline. We have that too, 801-975-4443. Press 2 for recipes, and you can make the chicken breast with the cucumber salsa. And what kind of rice did we call it?
This is a pecan rice.
Pecan rice. And don't forget to go to Costa Vida. Of course, up and down the Wasatch Front. You can go to CostaVita.net for all of their locations. I like to hang out at the one in Sandy.
Wow.
That's my favorite Costa Vida.
That's a good place to be. That's one of my favorites. So we're going to take a little
Put
bit
the
of this
salsa on there.
salsa. Yep.
Okay. Our chicken's not done yet, but once you pan fry it with just that little...
This stove is such a
I know,
fire
sorry.
demon, you know. It gets so hot so fast.
It takes a minute. What are you making on Good Things Utah?
Well, we're going to do a shrimp dish with a beurre blanc sauce.
Oh my gosh. Okay, don't forget to tune in at 10 o'clock on ABC4 to that. Dave, you keep plating. We'll show it at the end of the show. We'll be right back with more Daily Dish.